Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today I'm dealing with the Samsung M10, baby. Samsung Galaxy M10. So what's in the box? Infinity V display, dual camera, slim and thin design, 1.6 GHz octa-core processor, etc. 14 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 16 GB memory, 2 GB of RAM. Is it okay? Seems like we have a seal. So okay, I got the seal. What's this? All right, is this something in there? There's the thing, baby. This one is ocean blue. I got it. I got this. I got this. Here's the thing. So here's the back of the phone. There's the front of the phone. In this box, it seems like you have probably a manual, some paperwork, yeah, guides. What's this? You have some sort of USB cable. And you have a headphone. For headphone jack, of course. They are working hard to get rid of the headphone jack. But this one has a headphone jack, and of course you have the charging block. And that's what's in the box. Oh, you have more stuff in the box. You have the pins to access SIMs and whatever else right here in the box. Selfie, special effects. Poor guy. Who is this guy? He's in trouble now. You're in trouble now. So nothing new. You just set up your phone as usual and you're in. And AFP.CONNEX is out.